Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of nitrous oxide systems for your tuned cars. So you want to add some serious horsepower to your ride? You want to blow away the competition at the track? Well, you came to the right place because today we're talking about nitrous oxide systems, the ultimate way to give your car that extra kick. We'll cover the pros, cons, and some essential installation tips to get you started. So buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Alright, let's kick things off by talking about why you should even consider nitrous. Nitrous oxide, also known as NOS or laughing gas, is a chemical compound that, when injected into your engine, provides a significant boost in horsepower. How does it work? Well, nitrous oxide is made up of nitrogen and oxygen. When it's heated up in your engine, it breaks down and releases that extra oxygen. And guess what your engine needs to burn fuel more efficiently? That's right, more oxygen. This means more power. Now imagine this. You're at the starting line, your heart's pounding, and the light turns green. You hit the nitrous button and bam! Your car surges forward like a rocket, leaving your competition in the dust. That's the kind of adrenaline-pumping performance nitrous can give you. We're talking about serious gains here, guys. Depending on your setup, you can add anywhere from 50 to over 100 horsepower with a well-tuned nitrous system. That's like adding an extra engine to your car. Whether you're looking for that extra edge on the track or just want to have some fun on the street, nitrous can deliver the goods. But it's not just about raw power. Nitrous can also improve your car's throttle response, making it feel more responsive and eager to reverse. It's like waking up your engine and giving it a shot of espresso. And here's the best part. Nitrous oxide systems are relatively affordable compared to other performance modifications. You can get a basic system up and running for a fraction of the cost of a supercharger or turbocharger. So, it's a cost-effective way to unlock serious horsepower gains without breaking the bank. Now before you go out and bolt on a nitrous system, let's talk about some of the downsides. It's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility, and nitrous is no exception. First off, nitrous oxide can put extra stress on your engine components. When you're injecting more fuel and air into the cylinders and creating those massive explosions, it generates more heat and pressure. So, it's crucial to make sure your engine is up to the task. That means having a well-maintained engine with upgraded internals like stronger pistons, connecting rods, and a beefier clutch. Trust me, you don't want to find out the hard way that your engine can't handle the extra power. Another thing to keep in mind is that nitrous oxide is not a magic horsepower button you can keep hitting forever. You'll need to refill your nitrous bottle periodically, especially if you're using it frequently. Think of it like filling up your gas tank, but instead of gas, it's that sweet, sweet nitrous oxide. Now let's talk about safety. Nitrous oxide itself is non-flammable, but it does support combustion, meaning it helps things burn more intensely. So you need to be extremely careful when handling and installing a nitrous system. We're talking about high-pressure systems here, and any leaks or improper installations can be extremely dangerous. And speaking of safety, always, and I mean always, use a nitrous oxide system that's specifically designed for your car's make and model. Don't try to cut corners or use a generic system. It's crucial to have the correct jetting and tuning to ensure the system delivers the right amount of nitrous for your engine. Alright, now comes the fun part, installing your nitrous oxide system. But before we dive in, remember, safety is paramount. If you're not comfortable working on your car, please take it to a qualified mechanic. This is not the time to test your DIY skills if you're not experienced. First things first, disconnect the negative battery terminal. We don't want any accidental electrical mishaps while we're working on the car. Next, you'll need to mount the nitrous bottle in a safe and secure location. This is usually in the trunk or the back seat. Make sure it's properly secured using a bottle bracket and straps. You don't want that thing flying around like a missile in case of an accident. Now, it's time to install the nitrous management system. This is the brains of the operation, controlling the flow of nitrous and fuel. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and make sure all the wiring is done properly. With the management system in place, you can now run the nitrous feed line from the bottle to the engine bay. Again, use high-quality lines and fittings specifically designed for nitrous oxide. Don't skimp on this, guys. Finally, you'll need to tap into your car's fuel system to provide the extra fuel needed for the nitrous. This typically involves installing a fuel solenoid and tapping into the fuel rail. Again, precision is key here, so take your time and double-check your work. Once everything is installed, it's crucial to have your system professionally tuned on a dyno. This ensures the nitrous is being delivered safely and effectively, maximizing performance without putting your engine at risk. So there you have it. You're now armed with the knowledge to add some serious horsepower to your ride with a nitrous oxide system. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always prioritize safety, use high-quality components, and have your system professionally installed and tuned. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car tuning tips and tricks. And be sure to share this video with your friends who are ready to take their cars to the next level. Drive safe and see you in the next